out here to open water. That's a giant, dude. That's a big one. That's what I came out here for. Watch this. Oh my gosh.
Okay. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Melon head. Melon head right there. Did you get that boat swing?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
I have your entire hook chest came up.
Really?
Yeah.
Dude.
I just started recording. You hung into it.
That's a melon head right there, boys. Finally. I've missed 3 about this size or bigger. I was telling Connor we should have had a giant bag today, but we're still out here. We're gonna have it. It's gonna happen. You had one on that point right there.
It's not like they're any different. I mean, that one was up in the pads sitting there.
That was the first one I snagged that was up in it.
I thought you just ripped into one.
Got a good one.
Oh yeah. Get out of here, bro. 2 seconds after. That was not but 2 casts.
Think they're liking the swim jig today?
I'd say so.
Dirty jigs.
Smacked him.
Swim jigs, man. Just choking it. Biggin? Oh, yes it is. There you go, dude. I think I might beat your PB for the year. Just horse him, dude. Horse him. There you go. There you go. That's gonna beat your PB for the year. And you boat flipped it. Nice.
But also we just snagged another solid one off the swim jig.
Oh, that's a good one, dude. Keep horsing him. Oh, that's a real good one. Nice, dude. That's a pig. Giant, dude.
God, you had me nervous flipping that rod, man. That thing's like a damn.
I told you.
It's like nothing.
Nice one, dude.
Solid 3.5.
Nice. It might be 4.
On the scale real quick.
Yeah, it's 3.5, 4. It's like no sleep at all. You get to sleep like an hour.
Take 90% of the class away. Sleep isn't even in their beds neither. It's just
Yeah.
like, all right.
It's on a cot out on the beach. So they put like a freaking tent over the top of the cot, and all right, you can sleep for an hour. There he is. That's a better one. That's a better fish there.
Good one. I got little sores on the back side.
What you think?
Good fish there. Look at his eye. His eye's all messed up.
Yeah, he's got a blind eye there.
He's all beat up.
Want to put him in the well?
Yeah, let's do it.
That's a good one. Huh? There you go. Oh, that's a real good one, dude. Nice one. Oh, and he came off.
I think you might have snapped my phone screen too. Come here.
There you go.
Soaked my phone, but hey. That was the second cast on your whatever color dirty jigs that is.
Oh,
but
really? That bluegill one?
Yeah, the bluegill one. The second cast.
Nice,
Going from
man.
black and blue. So,
They're in here. Yeah, we just got to work this pad field, I
yeah,
guess.
work them slow.
Throw them in the well. We'll put a good limit together.
Yeah.
You filming that?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's the day right there.
It's probably, say, oh man, that's probably pushing 22, 23. Giant.
So, nothing but solid fish today, y'all.
Gosh. All right, let's get pictures.
2 biggest of the day, and Ricky's gonna release his right at 5.
It's a really good bag. And the water's so cool that is full of energy. There she goes.
Sweet.
All right, man. Good day.
That's what I'm talking about. That was a day and a half, I'd say.